Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to talk about publishing apps to the App Store and hopefully inspire everyone to publish apps of their own. So, in this App Store Connect, which is the iOS App Store um, developer area, here we have all the apps that I have. So, iOS app, Mac apps, everything. And if I open something, let's open Teak, which is like a bookmarking application that I made for designers. Here we can see in the app version the images, some text, promotional text, description, everything in one place. You can easily fill this up yourself, or what I did was Codex fill this up for me. So when I want to publish a new version or push some changes to the App Store, I just ask Codex to do it because it's faster than me going in and updating everything. And we have a CLI called AAC CLI, so App Store Connect CLI. So this has like direct API or something to just do things from the terminal, which Codex does it better than anyone else. So I connected this AAC CLI, gave me my credentials, and Codex does everything. So anything from test flight management to ads, publishing releases, metadata, everything. So this App Store Connect automation is what does that for me. But after testing in test flight, I manually come in and save and publish the latest version. So yeah, you can easily build all this information with Codex. So if you have a repo, it probably has all this information that it needs to publish this, and Apple will review your submissions. So if you see here, all these review has been submitted, some I've removed, some review has been completed. So Apple will review all these submissions that you have, and it will reject some things. So it recently rejected something for me, and I usually send the rejection directly to Codex again. That fixes it, pushes it, and submits a new version for me. So it's pretty simple to deal with rejections nowadays with AI. But yeah, but it's so you have to either select two things while deciding on the tech stack. One is you can go to Expo. Expo is a framework and like a building platform, but mostly I use it as a framework to create apps. So Expo apps are based on React and React Native. So it's easy to create apps that looks native, feels native, but it can be used on both iOS and Android. Or you can go the normal route of having a Swift app for just iOS. So some of my apps are Swift, some of it is Expo. So when I usually need it both for iOS and Android, I usually go for Expo, which is the best of the React Native things. And if it's just for iOS, I usually go with Swift. So yeah, you have to sign up for a developer account in App Store Connect. It is, I believe, $99 for a year, and you can publish any number of apps you want, and you can do how many reviews you want, anything. But you have to pay that upfront cost to publish to the App Store. So I think that is mostly it, and then you have to agree like lots and lots of documents. So that will take a while, but it's pretty easy. You just have to go through some documents, agree, and it will you can publish anything you want. So yeah, that's it, guys. So try it out. Hopefully this inspired you to create new apps and publish to the iOS App Store. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.